Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, we're going to be doing a holographic alien babe. Unfortunately, during filming and editing, I did lose some footage, so please bear with me during this. I did go ahead and made a prosthetic piece on my brow bone, my cheekbones, and then a little bit on my nose using liquid latex and cotton. Underneath the brows, I did put down masking tape to make sure that the liquid latex didn't get on it and rip out any hair. Once that's dry, you're going to go ahead and use setting powder to make that less tacky and make sure everything is in place. I'm then going in with a liquid highlighter that's more of a opal kind of color for that nice holographic look. This is a great base to use before painting the face. I'm then going to use a flat foundation brush and I'm going to paint my face with the NYX cream color in Rebellious Edge. You want to make sure you cover the whole face as well as the prosthetic and your neck and chest as well as you can. Don't worry if the whole prosthetic isn't covered. There will be some areas that won't be covered. It'll be still showing through because of those little divots that are created using the cotton. We're definitely going to fix that later on in the video. I'm then going in with a smaller dense brush using the same pigment just to help buff it into the prosthetic as much as I can. Then I'm using a black and a dark purple shadow and I'm creating a contour on the face. This will help bring out the prosthetic a little bit more as well as help blend it into the skin more and hide that line that is created. Then I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black and I'm creating the outline and filling in the eye area for this alien. You want to bring it up as high as you can into the brow bone as well as line the lower lash line and then make that nice triangle shape on the inner corners to create that cartoon alien eye shape. I'm then setting that with a black eyeshadow. Once this is all done, you want to go over the whole face, including the eyes, with a translucent setting powder to make sure that all the work that you just did stays in place as you add more on. Then I'm going in with a mixture of the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer as well as the NYX Pigment in shade 15. I mix those together to get a nice creamy consistency and it'll help it go on and stay on a little bit better onto the skin as well. And I'm just creating a couple lines in like a triangle formation on the forehead, almost like tribal print. Then I'm going in with the NYX Holographic Setting Powder in shade Mermazing and I'm covering the whole face in that to get a more holographic, glittery kind of look to the skin, covering the whole face as well as my neck and my chest area. To help hide those little divots in the prosthetic and to help the powders and that cream color go in more, I'm using the same liquid highlighter we used in the beginning on a small brush and just blending that all in. This will help also give that nice holographic highlighted look to it. I'm going in with a flat brush using a dark purple and a black shadow and creating a lower lash line to the eyes. Then I'm going in with a white paint on a small brush and I'm creating highlights on the eyes to make it more three-dimensional and more eye-like rather than a black socket. Unfortunately, this is where my camera had cut out and I lost some footage, but I used the same white paint and created dots along the prosthetic as well as on my collarbone and my neck. I also went in with a black glitter and applied that onto my lips just to give it a little bit more dimension, a little bit more of that glittery holographic look. I'm now going in with a mixture of the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer as well as a pink craft glitter, and I'm coating the area that I created on my collarbones. I didn't like the white dots that I have done, so I'm going in with the NYX Velvet Gel Liner and I'm outlining it, kind of making a bodysuit armor kind of piece. I'm then going to go in with more eyelash glue and more glitter just to pack on that pigment and glitter a little bit more because it wasn't standing out enough compared to the purple base that we had on our face and chest. Then I'm using a small felt tip liner just to clean up the edges that we created along the glitter. I'm also adding a little bit more detail using that small brush and creating more dots along the collarbone, same as we did for the face and the neck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and leave a comment below if you want to see any more future looks, and please subscribe to my channel for future videos.